Hi guys, it's Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls. I wanted to come to you with some new information that just came out from YouTube for your channel members. It's right here in your YouTube studio and it says Ideas for You, a new perk for your loyal members. So there's a new reward for channel members. Your ongoing members can now send a special monthly highlighted message in your live chat. It says that channel member perks. Channels enabled for memberships can now create member-only perks. These perks are only available to your active paid members. These include custom emojis, badges, and access to perks you offer. So it shows all of these other things, custom channel badges, and it says that if you've got extra footage, you can offer it as a membership perk. It's a quick way to reward your members. Okay, so it says that channel members can send one special highlighted message per month in a live chat to recognize and celebrate how long they've been a member. This feature is available to members who are in at least their second consecutive month as a member. Messages can only be sent during live streams or premieres and are visible to all viewers. So to turn off this feature, you would have to go to the studio, monetization, memberships, and set membership milestone chat to off. So since all eligible members can use member milestone chats, you may observe high usage the first few times you live stream after this feature is enabled. So the rate should smooth out over time as each member can redeem a member milestone chat once per month. So this is coming from the YouTube help. All of this information is going to be in the description box above. I am Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. And if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos or live streams. And as Gio and I say here on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep.